Welcome to the Al-Handasah YouTube channel. This is our fourth lecture in crack series. In this lecture I am going to discuss the third type of crack. Early thermal contraction cracks. Cracking due to early age thermal contraction can appear in large concrete sections due to heat generation in thick concrete walls and excess temperature gradients in thick concrete slabs. Early thermal contraction cracks are common in cantilever walls, often used in reservoirs, dams, concrete tanks, retaining walls, bridge abutments in basement. They are also common in other large pores that exceeds 2 meters, such as pavements. One of the major reasons of cracking in early age concrete are the volume changes due to the temperature and the moisture variations during the hardening process. Impact of these cracks. Unless the structural tolerance level is exceeded, early age cracking formed by early thermal contraction are not considered to affect the general safety of the concrete structures. That being said, the aesthetic appearance may be greatly affected if the cracks are not repaired. Furthermore, if the cracks are left untreated, they may lead to ingress of water, oxygen, and minerals, which may bring on the corrosion of reinforcement steel, costly maintenance, and potential durability issues. Structures such as concrete dams, reservoirs, tanks, and roofs are especially at risk. If early age cracks are left to further develop, it may affect the bearing capacity of the structure and speed up fatigue failure. Leakage in concrete structures can also lead to deterioration of other building assets. Fixing of these cracks. In hardened concrete, cracks are best to remediate at an early stage to help protect the integrity and longevity of the asset. Depending on depth and or width of the crack, a crack can be weakened with a concrete chaser and filled with suitable material. Certain concrete cracks may best be repaired by targeted injection of appropriate material tailored to the individual crack's diagnosis, followed by a suitable protective concrete coating. Minimizing of these cracks. Proper selection of materials in mix design. Planning the pore sizes, segmental concreting, dimension and geometry of concrete structures in construction sequence. Consider the environmental conditions such as ambient temperature, temperature of neighboring elements, wind and humidity. Reduce the heat by cooling the concrete before placement. Insulate to reduce thermal gradients. Install expansion joints early where applicable. Provide reinforcement steel at optimum spacing in order to control crack width. Thank you, dear students, for your attention. We discuss about the third type of crack in this lecture.